Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the language on your SONY A6400 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is press on the menu button to open up the settings, and then we're going to go to the setup section, so this yellow toolbox section, and we're going to go to the page number 5 and select language. So you have all of the options that you can change the language to, so you can select any option, and as you can see, the language has changed. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.